I'm sick of sitting at the house, dying on my phone, wishing I was somewhere I can be alone. Try to let you go, but something always reminds me. I've been breaking up was easy in the 90s. I'm tired of getting drunk, tired of being free, tired of seeing pictures I don't wanna see. Girl, you're everywhere, everywhere but behind me. I bet breaking up was easy in the 90s. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Sam Hunt called Breaking Up It Was Easy in the 90s. It's a great song. It's probably my favorite from his new album. I don't know, there's a lot of good songs on his album. But anyway, please hit like and subscribe so you can know if I want to come up with new tutorials. This song is in standard tuning. You got a capo on the 2nd fret. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments or anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to play. I'm going to show you how you play them. And then I'm also going to walk you through where you play them and the strumming pattern and where you play them for the verses, the chorus, and the bridge. So let's get into it. So you're going to start with C. Okay, if you don't know C, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret. Everything is in relation to the capo, if there's a capo, all right? Ring finger, 3rd fret, all right, on the A string. All right, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, I'm muting the top one. You don't have to do what you want to do, right? So then you're also going to play G. Really easy transition is if you put your pinky down on the little E string on the 3rd fret, okay? And then you just lift up. So you're not going to use this finger, but you're going to lift up. You're going to put your ring finger. It's going to go on the 3rd fret on the big E string. Your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, that's G. Now, you could use this other one if you want. It's up to you because you're going to switch from G to D. So mute the top string with my thumb. Then you're going to put your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the little E string. And then you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. All right, and then E minor, one of the easiest chords there is. All right, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. That's it, all right? So that's actually the chord progression. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna play that at the beginning. You're gonna do 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 do. So you're gonna do down down up up down 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 up down up down down up up down up down up down up down up. Okay. This is like not exactly the way they play it, that they play it on the album. I'm showing you how to do it as an easy acoustic way for beginners. Okay. So you're gonna do C, G, D, E minor. And if you want, you can do less drums in there. You can just do C, D, sorry, G, C, G, D, E minor. And you would do that twice, okay? So what you're gonna do is down, down, up, down. So you switch on the up, down, all right? Up, down on that G. Then you're gonna do D, down, down, up, down, okay? So you're gonna switch at the same point. You're gonna go from D to E minor. Then you do it again. C, G, D, E minor. So it's just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, and that's where he's like, yeah, man, oh man, oh man. Okay. Then for the verse, you're gonna do the same chords. All right, verses and the chorus are the same chord progression. However, you're gonna do it a little bit differently. You're gonna do down, down, up. All right. Bartender looked at me like, okay, so you do C on bartender. Bartender, so bartender looked at me like down, down, up, down. Okay, and I would do this a little bit softer here. Down, down, up. So bartender looked at me like, at me is where you can do G. At me like, pony up, man, we're closing down. And after down, you do D. Down, down. I paid the tab and I turned around. So you do D, then E minor. Okay, so you're just gonna do down, down, up, down. This is the part where for the verse, you should for sure do it slow and soft like this, okay? All right, bartender is C. Bartender looked at me, all right, me is G. Me like, pony up, man, we're closing down. Then you do D, E minor, okay? I paid the tab and I turned around. Around did you do C, then G. I got on the phone on the way home, and after home you do D. All right, ended up down the rabbit hole. Rabbit, okay, so we're gonna do E minor, rabbit hole again. And you do C, After again, you're gonna do, it's funny how you haven't changed a bit. Haven't as G, haven't changed a bit, all right? A bit. Your twice is pretty, pretty is D, pretty, glad, all right? Pretty, glad you finally got to see. So you're gonna do glad you finally is E minor, finally got to see New York City. Then you're gonna do city is C, so that's easy to remember, city. All right, G. I know it's not a race, but it looks like is D, like you're getting over me. Me is E minor, me faster than I'm getting over you. You is where you're gonna do C, you. All right, and then you're gonna kind of let it ring on that G after you. But hey, what you gonna do? So do, you're gonna do D. You're gonna down, down, up, down on E minor. And you're gonna mute. I'm sick of sitting at the house. Okay, then you're gonna do house on C. I'm sick of sitting at the house, tired of dying on my phone, wishing I was somewhere I could be alone, tired of getting to go. Something always reminds me I've been breaking up was easy in the 90s. So you're just gonna do, I'm sick of sitting at the house. Okay, house is where you start with C, and you're gonna do down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Then you're gonna play this part louder for sure. Okay, and so you're gonna do down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay, so you're gonna do sick of sitting at the house, dying on my phone, wishing I was somewhere I can be alone. Okay, just like that. So you're gonna start with C on house. I'm sick of sitting at the house. So you're not gonna play any chords until you get to house. House, dying on my phone. Okay, phone is G. Phone, wishing I was somewhere. Okay, somewhere is D. Somewhere I can be alone. Alone is E minor. Alone, try to let you go. All right, go is C. Go, something always reminds me. Okay, reminds me is G. Reminds me, I've been breaking. Okay, breaking is D. Breaking up was easy in the 90s. 90s is E minor. 90s, I'm tired of getting drunk. Okay, drunk is C. Drunk, tired of being free. Free is being free is G. Being free, tired of seeing pictures. Pictures is D. Pictures I don't wanna see. Okay, wanna see is E minor. C, girl, you're everywhere. For the everywhere, you're gonna do C. Everywhere, everywhere, but behind. But behind is where you're gonna do G. Behind me, I've been breaking. Breaking is gonna be D. Breaking up was easy in the 90s. So you're just doing down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And I would make sure you do that part louder, okay? Second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one. What you're going to do, though, after you do the chorus, you will wait a minute. All right? Like if you do this like they do in the actual chorus, you'll end on E minor. And then you'll go into the verse again. So you're going to do C. All right? Just like that. And then go into the verse again, okay? So for the bridge, you're going to play it kind of like you were playing the chorus. You're going to do, okay? So it's going to be C on modern love. Remember, it's the same chord progression throughout the song. Modern love, it's modern hearts breaking. I'm just a product of my generation, but okay. All right, so you're gonna do C is modern love. Modern love, it's modern. Okay, it's the modern hearts is where you're gonna do G. It's the modern hearts breaking. And after breaking, you do D. I'm just a product of my is E minor. My generation, okay, then after I, you do C. Had enough watching you. Okay, watching you is going to be G. Watching you getting on with your life. Okay, life is D. Life. Baby, I'm sick. So normally you would just do E minor, and then you wouldn't play any chords until you get to the C part on house. Until you get to house, and you'd play C. What you're going to do is, baby, I'm sick. Let's see. Baby, I'm sick of sitting at the house. So you're gonna do E minor on baby. Baby, I'm sick of sitting at the house. And then house, you do C, and you're gonna go into the chorus. So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. If you have other song requests and stuff. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. I'll see you next time.